In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the YouTube app not working on your phone. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my very best to reply to every single comment so I can help you out further down there. But first things first, what I recommend doing is actually swiping up at the bottom of your phone to see all of your open apps. Just close YouTube out completely and then reopen it and see if that actually fixes your issue. That being said, if it didn't, go ahead and swipe down from the top right to open up your control center and turn on airplane mode and then turn off Wi-Fi. You're going to want to wait 10 to 15 seconds and then turn airplane mode off and then reconnect to Wi-Fi or cell service. And once again, after doing so, go ahead and reopen up YouTube. That's what they call an airplane mode reset. And it's just a quick reset to just try and see if there's anything wrong with your internet. That being said, if you're still having issues, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually open up the App Store and then go ahead and search for YouTube. Hit enter, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Select the YouTube app, and what I recommend doing is just if you see an update button, go ahead and tap it. If not, try deleting it and reinstalling the app. To do that, go ahead and back out and long press on YouTube just like so, and then hit remove app. And then specifically hit delete app, don't just remove it from your home screen. Then go back into that app store and hit download and it'll begin re-downloading. Once it does finish downloading for you though, go ahead and open up YouTube and select your profile icon down in the bottom right corner. And from here, go ahead and select the settings gear up in the top right corner and go into general. Make sure your location is set correctly. If it's not, that might be a reason that it's bugging out. But overall, it really is as simple as that. Those are the main ways to fix the YouTube app if you are having any issues. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if you have any questions, ask them down below and I can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.